up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. Got this gorgeous 1986 Chevy Corvette C4 up for sale today. This one's a little special. It's got an upgraded ZR1 engine. We'll go over a full, complete walkthrough of the vehicle so you know exactly what you get before you get it. We'll go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. We do shipping all over the US and worldwide. If you like our content and want to see all of our new inventory on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe right now before we get started. All right, guys, let's get started. 1986 Chevy Corvette C4. Bought this off a customer of mine, local owner. It was her husband's vehicle. Unfortunately, he did pass away. He worked at Contemporary Corvette. He was a specialist in Corvettes. So he redid this car, put a upgraded ZR1 engine in it. I believe it's got 350 horsepower. It's an aluminum block, aluminum head. Upgraded the suspension. New tires on it. I'll show you the undercarriage and the engine shortly. Let's look at the outside, go over any of the flaws. So we got this little chip right here on this fender. Paint shines really good. As you can see my reflection in it. You can see a really good reflection in it. The paint shines well. It's got a nice little metallic to it. It's a beautiful color. It's a burgundy color, but in the light it shines with some copper tone in it. Hood's in good shape except for a little spider cracking right here. As you can see, it's a little about half the size of my hand. Bumper's in good shape. I don't see any visible flaws on it. We will check the headlights, make sure that they work, and all the interior components. That's the biggest flaw I see right now, is that right there. We're going back on this side, check the tire. Tire's brand new. Rim's in good shape. Tire has complete life left in it. The tread is perfect on it. This side is the same. This fender looks clean. I don't see anything going on with it. Bottom of the doors look good. This door looks in good shape. The window seal here is showing some wear. Let's see how this closes. Closes very well. It opens good as well. No rust bubbles, but you know Corvettes, they're made of fiberglass. You got a chip right there. The biggest thing with the Vets, they like to spider crack, and I don't see a whole lot on this. Back end's good. Good shape here. All this looks good. Got a little bit of cracking right here. Exhaust tips look absolutely gorgeous. Nice and shiny. Got a little, let's see, little imperfection here. I don't know, you can barely see it. Little chip there, or scratch. This tire's also in great shape. I did not check that back one. Let's check it. Yeah, same thing. So the tires are good. Rims are in good shape. And then you got a little flaw right here. But besides that, I mean, the body, it shows very well. It looks really good. It looks good in pictures and video and in person. You won't be disappointed with the look of the car. It sits very well. But the highlight of this vehicle, guys, to be honest with you, is the way it drives, which we will go on a test drive. This thing rips. It's so fast, it's kind of scary. And usually these C4s don't kick like this, but again, you got the upgraded engine in it. On the inside, you have a little bit of wear here on the seat. Now, I normally don't buy these Corvettes unless there's something special about them. I'm not a huge fan of the C4s, but with the upgraded engine in it, got the ZR1, I'm happy with this one. The last one I had was a Greenwood, and that had a bunch of upgrades as well. So they're actually starting to grow on me. I used to not be a fan, but I'm liking them now. Dash has got some stickies here because they put this to protect it, but it doesn't look all cracked up. It looks like it's in good shape. Horn works. See if we can get this AC on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now it's blowing. So the AC does work. It's blowing nice and cool. It's not ice cold, but it's definitely cool. Good. Horn works in it. That window goes down. Now, the only complaint I have about this car mechanically is that it's been sitting in the garage for 6-7 years. We got it back here. We put a fuel pump in it. New battery, fresh gas, and we've been driving it now for a couple days. Definitely needs to be driven. Alright guys, this is the engine right here. This is the ZR1, 350 horsepower, aluminum heads. Sounds good, just needs to be driven. Like I said, it's been sitting in the garage a while. This thing needs to be gone out on the open road. It sounds good. Let's shut it off and then let's climb underneath. And we'll check all the electronics as well. Before we shut it off, that's working. That's working. Check the lights. Lights pop right up. They both work. Now also, I'm pretty sure this top is removable. Yeah, it looks like it pops right out. Underneath looks extremely clean. I don't see any red flags. Just a solid car, guys. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. We'll start it up. We'll go on a test drive, see how it drives, and go from there. All right, guys, we're on a test drive for this 86 Corvette ZR1. Handles well. One thing I will notice, it's a little noisy right here, and this window seal definitely needs to be replaced. Oh, this thing is quick. Going about 85 and it's handling the road perfect. Slow down and turn around up here. We don't want to die today, so take it easy. Quick turnaround. It drives the way a Corvette should drive. The AC is blowing ice cold now that we're up on speed. Everything's working the way it should. Horn works good. It's up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website. My number directly is 215-801-9493. If you're interested, we can ship it right out to your doorstep. If you have any questions, give me a call or give me a DM. Car drives really good. It's a solid car. It's not perfect, but it drives very well. It is what it is. No thrills, no surprises. Now, Ben, this is saying door ajar. I do see that there. Let's see if our door's shut. Maybe that's what the road noise is. All right, so that might have been the road noise. My door wasn't shut all the way. We'll take it down here again, make sure that there's no other road noise, because that was a little loud. I was thinking it was the seal here, because the seal does need to be replaced, but we'll see if the door was opened up a little bit. Oh yeah, it's much more quieter. Look at that. Let's stop it real quick, see how the brakes feel. Do a hard stop. Oh yeah, it feels real good. Take it on the back road too. We might as well just extend this. Yeah, the biggest thing with this, guys, like I said before, it just needs to be driven. It's been sitting in the garage for a while. It hasn't been driven a lot. You need to get those fluids going and moving. It's a solid car. Handles the bumps good. Suspension feels pretty solid. The only thing I don't like the steering cover. I'll probably take it off if it was mine. Ooh, that gets quick. I'm definitely happy with this car. It's a solid car for somebody, guys. If you're interested, give me a call, guys. I appreciate you checking out our page. If you want to see all of our new inventory, please hit the subscribe button. We get new cars in every day. I'll talk to you guys later. Give me a call today. God bless the USA. Let's go.